Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 for Visible by Verizon. So the iPhone 15 is now here at Visible by Verizon. It is currently in stock. The 128GB version is in stock. Y'all guys have 5 colors to choose from there. Y'all guys have black, blue, green, yellow, pink. So depending on what color option that you guys want, you guys may have to choose wisely on your storage option in your color. So yeah, the pink one's out of stock for the 512 gigs, and it looks like the only one that's not in stock is the pink 512GB iPhone 15, as far as I know. So this is the iPhone 15. It has your code out there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, the volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your alert button or whatever. Dual camera setup down the back, camera flash, Apple logo and whatnot. There's a closer look at the dual camera setup, camera flash, power button on the right side of the phone. There it is in the 5 colors. Very nice. Dynamic island stays on top of it all. Durable color infused glass and aluminum design. A pro-proven powerhouse. Charging as easy as USB-C. Awesome all-day battery life. What comes in the box is your iPhone 15 and USB-C charging cable. So, yeah. So the 128GB iPhone 15 is $23.03 a month for 36 months, 0% APR, or $829 for retail price. The 256GB version, that is $25.81 a month. Alright, what the fuck just happened? So the 256GB iPhone 15 is $25.81 a month for 36 months, 0% APR at $929. Let's see if all colors are in stock real quick. Looks like you're good on the 256GB version. So yeah. And then the 512GB iPhone 15 is $31.36 a month for 36 months, 0% APR, $1129. All color options are in stock, minus the pink one. So keep that in mind. And definitely get insurance for your iPhone. Definitely get that. iPhone 15 brings you dynamic island, a 48MP main camera, and USB-C, all in a durable color infused glass and aluminum design. Dynamic island comes to iPhone 15. Innovative design, 48MP main camera with 2x telephoto, next generation portraits, powerhouse, A16 Bionic chip, USB-C connectivity, vital safety features designed to make a difference. Come with the Apple Care warranty. And it tells you guys to be sure that your device is up to date. Check settings for updates if any. This is a 5G compatible device running on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date. And I don't know why the Texas does that. It's very annoying and it fucks me up. Specs: the iPhone 15 has a 6.1-inch display OLED. The iPhone 15 weighs 6.02 ounces. Dimensions: 5.81 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. It takes an eSIM. So eSIM on this one. It has iOS 17, of course. Rear cameras, advanced dual camera system, 48MP main, f1.6 aperture, 12MP ultra wide, f2.4 aperture and 100 degrees field of view, 12 megapixel front facing true depth camera, f1.9 aperture, autofocus with focus pixels, processor A16 Bionic chip with 5-core GPU, storage 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs, battery built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, Face ID, enabled by true depth camera for facial recognition, 5G sub 6 GHz and millimeter wave, which is nice. Remembering, of course, what's in the box is your iPhone 15, USB-C charging cable. If you guys want to learn more about the iPhone 15, I will have the link down below, so check that out. Yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 is now here available by Verizon. So all color options are in stock, all storage options are in stock, minus the pink one on the 512GB version, but other than that, all color options and storage options are in stock, so that is nice at least. So if you guys are looking to get an iPhone 15 and don't want to pay all that much for it, here you guys go. If you guys really like compact iPhones, here you guys go. It has great specs, great features for what it is. Yeah, definitely worth checking out. And yeah, iPhone 15 now here available by Verizon. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.